So first, I already built an apple. Do you see that?
Okay.
And then second, I built this house. That's pretty neat.
And what are we building next?
A London Bridge. Do you see? Or it's a castle.
Okay.
Because it has flags, so it's a castle.
What
So we did that part.
Okay, we're missing the
Brown
piece.
Where is it? Oh. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Yep, that's the one.
Okay. Then
How do we put on these?
we put on both sides. There you go. And in the middle, and the two flags.
I'm gonna make money.
How?
eBay.
You really?
Okay. And show to the
Dollar.
camera. Finish.
Okay, next is the castle. Wait, it's supposed to be this way. The castle. Wait, did I put it? Oh.
See, you can show it right here. Camera can see it.
Ta-da!
Okay, good job. Ethan, put daddy coffee in about 5 seconds.
5 seconds. What?
10 seconds.
And what?
Heat it up 5 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
What are we building next?
It's an airplane.
Ooh.
Daddy, you can build this one.
This one's hard. Okay.
Daddy, I'll help you for this one.
Okay.
So do you see those?
Yeah.
You have to find it like that in 2 pieces.
Okay.
Put it together. Okay?
All right. First, we're gonna find that long piece, green piece. Got
Here
it?
it is.
Here.
Second, we're gonna find a
Here. 10 seconds.
White piece.
1 second.
Daddy, you can just put it. Yeah.
Put it by the corner.
Yeah.
You always put the cup by the corner.
Daddy, so
Yeah.
second you have to find this that has that. Two of these.
Okay.
And I'll find these.
Okay.
So you start digging in here. In here. And I found
Find
this.
2 of.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't find the 2.
Here.
There?
No, here.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
The white one? Is it white color?
Yeah, it's a white color. Oh, it's right there. Found it. See, now you know Lego's fun.
Yeah, Lego's fun. Always fun.
Yep.
Okay.
You want me to put the Lego a little bit close so
No,
you can grab
it's okay.
it?
You
No?
can do it.
Okay. You can help me too if you want.
Okay. Put this in the middle here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, hold on. Tight. All right.
Make sure it's secured. Okay, it's secured.
Secured. Okay.
I can do this one for you. But it's a little bit tricky.
Got it. Wow.
Okay, it's secured. Now we have to put on,
Number
these.
3.
Oh, I found you, little fella. Are you a little fella? Oh, no. You're not the little fella. Okay, I found it.
Okay.
Because see, they have little holes.
Right.
A big, long piece. Wait, those were the only 2 long pieces, so I can't find any more.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look in here. See, there's only this color.
It's okay. You can use that color too.
Yeah, it's a
Use
little
it.
bit immature. It's
alright.
okay. It doesn't matter how ways doesn't go close to the airplane, but it's okay. See, like this. Then put it on.
All right.
We're done.
Wow, show it to the camera.
The GoPro. It's not on.
It's on.
But look, on the front. Okay. Is it recording? Okay. Go, Crow. Now we've made a... Can you guess what this is, viewers? It's an airplane. Comment down below who likes airplanes.
Good job. Wonderful. So we have an apple. We have a house. We have a London Bridge and one airplane.
Yep.
Okay, now we have the
Boat.
build a boat.
Daddy, you can build this boat.
Okay.
I'm gonna help you. This one's not that tricky. Okay? So first you have to find that piece and this piece. So you have to find like this piece.
Yeah.
And now find that piece.
Okay.
Oh, can you look where it is? Can you look where it is?
Right here.
Yep, that's
I
the
got
one.
it. I found it.
And then you have to flip it over and put it on there. So can you snap it on?
Yeah. Let's see. I got it.
Yeah, until you make that click sound, you have to lift it up and make sure it's
Clicking.
secure.
Secured.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a secure.
And then we get that.
Okay.
So can you find like this square piece? The square. No, the long piece. The long piece.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it.
And make sure you find the long piece. Long piece.
Right here.
No, this one. No. No. No, it's supposed to find this color. So I'll find it.
Okay.
See, it's supposed to be this color. No. I just picked it up.
Oh.
And you have to snap it in, Daddy. Snap it in.
Snap it in. Got it.
Oh, yeah. If it
Okay.
didn't make the quick sound, then you just have to lift it up and see.
Okay. It's secured.
Daddy, do you see these little holes and no hole?
Yeah.
You have to put it right. Do you see the holes there?
Yeah.
And you see the no holes is there?
Yeah.
Then click it in. Snap it in.
Okay, let's see. See. Over here.
And no hole. Snap it in.
I try and. Oh yes, I did it.
Yeah, you did it. See? So if it's secure, then you see it in.
Good job.
And now second is to find this. Wait, what's that color? Is that color? Oh yeah, it's that color. Daddy. So second we have to find that block.
Okay.
Find the white block in here. Do you see any white blocks? Where's the white block, Daddy? Where is it?
Right here.
Yep, that's the
Yeah.
one. Now, click it right there.
Click it right
There.
here.
No, right here,
Okay.
where my other finger is.
Good job.
Yep. Then put it
What
on
time is
here.
it? What time?
Wait. let me put it. So you still have time
Look
to
at my
play.
breakfast.
I brushed my teeth already. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Does
we
it
need
look
to
like a
find
boat yet?
all those white pieces. So we need that block.
This piece has to be all the way over here. See? The boat piece over here. See right there?
Daddy, can you help? I can't do that, so can you help me?
Yeah.
Hold the, yeah. It's kind of tricky for me.
There you go. Got it.
Thank you. Oh,
Again.
you already found that? I thought I was gonna find that, but you already found that.
Yep.
I didn't know. Now, they said to put that on top. Oh, it was a little one. It's a little one.
Yep.
I thought it was a big one, but it's a little one. Here's a
Mhm.
little one.
Right.
And
what
now find those pieces, like
I'll bring this.
this piece. See, find this.
But you have to put all these in first
What?
before you put the top piece.
No, Daddy, you can
Oh, okay.
see,
Okay, I got it.
secure it.
Okay. Hold on.
Ah! Put it right there.
I'll snap it. Okay.
I hold it for you. Oh, it's kind of tricky. It's kind of silly.
Got
Oh, you got it.
Yep.
Now it's my turn. Ah! Ah! It keeps falling. It like slipped right in here and then slip right here now.
Yeah.
And put it right there.
One.
And now put the top, Daddy.
Oh, one more.
Here. Daddy,
Sweet.
put on the top. Oh, it lost one layer. Put on the top. Snap it. Snap it. Oh, you did it. We're done.
Oh, show it.
GoPro, look, we made a boat. Do you see that? And it can go in the ocean now with a flamingo because we're going to build a flamingo.
All right.
Next layer.
So we got a house. We got an apple.
Flamingo.
A London Bridge. We got airplane.
Yep.
Next, we got a boat. And next one is
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Going
Daddy,
to the
Daddy,
ocean.
Daddy, do you see like those eyes?
Yeah.
Those eyes are in here. So you only have to find the blinking eyes.
Okay.
So first we had to find that piece that's Daddy.
That's a pink piece.
Yeah, light pink in here.
Okay, I got one.
No! Let Daddy find it and me.
Okay.
And now
Let's find another pink one. Yep.
no, I think there's supposed to be one. Yeah, one.
Okay.
Now put this one.
Back.
No, that's the wrong color.
Daddy, that's the wrong color.
Oh,
Here's the
okay.
right color.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be light pink.
Okay.
Oh, Daddy,
Yep.
I found a blinking eye.
Okay.
So you have to find another blinking eye.
Where's the blinking
Where
light?
is it? Where is
Oh, I
it?
see it. I see
Yep.
it. Oh, I see it. Let me pick it up.
Now put it on like that.
Oh, I see one blinking eye right here.
Daddy.
It's so tiny, so small.
Oh.
It's okay. You can see it.
No, they can't see it.
Yeah. All right. Where are we gonna put the blinking eye?
Put it down facing.
Okay.
No. Put it right here.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Down looking. Yeah.
Okay.
You did it.
So we
You
did.
secured it.
See, that's the eye.
No, put it in closer so the viewers can see.
Right here. The camera right here.
I see it. Okay. All right. People. All right. So what we gonna do next?
And then we just put
I'm running out.
this right here, okay?
Okay.
Snap it in where the eye's looking.
Okay. You gotta show camera.
Okay. Oh no.
Good. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh
We
no.
gotta secure a table. Okay.
Did you catch that, GoPro? You catch that, guys?
Give me all of them! It's mine!
I want to see
My
it.
toy. Okay. Don't mess them up.
The camera get you.
I don't care.
All right.
Okay, so Daddy, do you see where the eye's looking?
Yep.
Do that, okay?
Okay.
Now, let me just throw you. Secure it like that, okay?
So we're gonna put on the eyes now. And this.
They don't see it.
Don't see it. We're gonna snap right in here. Two. There you go.
And now we need that beak. Wait, no!
Oh, we gotta put in the beak first, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
the beak is this color, Daddy. Daddy, the beak is this color. So find the beak. Find the beak. No?
Yep, I found
Yep.
it. That's
Now
the beak.
secure it like this. Okay?
Sec-
I hold it.
Okay.
No, the other way.
Other way?
Yeah, see, look.
Oh, okay. Okay.
See, look. And then we can put on the eyes.
Okay.
Do you remember how you put it on?
Yep. Let me do it.
Okay.
Let me do the
You can hold that. You can hold it. Hold like this.
Put on the eye.
Oh. GoPro's not on.
There you go. Oh, it's okay. We can turn right here.
No.
Oh, I got it. Let go. Let go.
Turn it a little bit up. Ah! Our boat fell down. Hey!
There you go. Okay.
Hey! Ethan put the apple on top. That's not fair.
All right.
So first we put the apple. Oh, it's supposed to be that way.
Okay.
And then the London Bridge right there. House. And then London Bridge. And then airplane. Whee!
And are we finished the flamingo?
Nope.
Okay.
We need to do the water in the lake. So here it is. So here's the water.
Okay.
Now we need to find the lake. Daddy, find the lake this color. Here, I'll get it out for you. No. Here. You have to, yep,
Yep, I got it.
that's the one.
Okay.
Now we have to put it on. Yeah. Oh.
Make that for you or for him?
Flamingo.
Secure.
And we're done.
Right. Show it to the camera.
Hey, camera, we made another flamingo. Well, it's only one. Look, right there.
Show them to the side. There you go. So we have a good collection. And we made total of
An apple, a house,
No.
a bridge, a plane, a boat, and a flamingo.
wonderful.
It's running out of space.
And now a car. A car is easy.
Okay, we're gonna build one more car. Okay, let's build a car.
Daddy, so that piece, you need those pieces. I'll find the dark piece. Where's that dark piece? Where is it? Where are you?
We have enough tool to build a car. Okay.
Daddy, find those clear pieces. That is in here. So let me show you. Yeah. No, that goes on the robot. Yep, that's the one.
Oh, I got one.
Now find it like this color.
Like what color?
That color. Yep, that's the one.
Yep. And we need a red too.
Yeah, that's red. Let me try to. Find this color, okay? Here, I mixed it up for you.
Yeah. Oh, it's hard to find. Where's the color? Oh, I
You don't
found one.
see it.
Yep, I did. I found one.
Oh, it was supposed to be. It was like right here, but you didn't find it. It was right there.
Okay. And where's the wheel?
Oh, the wheels are in here. Find this wheel.
Oh, okay.
Find two. No, these
We got one wheel.
two wheels.
Okay.
I already got the wheel.
All right. Yeah. Good job.
Now
Alright, let's build.
you have to put it on, but it's already on because Ethan built this one.
Okay.
So we have to put this on.
Okay.
And now put this in. Daddy, put this right there.
Okay.
Secure it.
All right.
And then put this in the middle, Daddy. You put that in the middle. Oh, it's not on.
It's okay.
I can turn it on, Daddy.
Good job. All right.
Daddy, wait. I need to eat something. Mommy?
No.
Can I eat this one?
No. In the morning. Let's go.
But only one.
I don't care.
Hey,
You can all.
I said I don't care. Daddy,
Yeah. Here's the card. Boom,
I'll be right back.
We just
Daddy.
made a card.
You do the next one. You do the robot.
Card.
Daddy.
This is a Lego card.
Daddy.
And you want to see a
Daddy.
Lego card moving? Watch.
Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy.
All right.
So, Daddy.
Wait. Just say
Oh my
we have
God.
to finish the video. So
Daddy. Do the next part. There's two of them. So do that, okay?
no,
You have to-
we
you-
gotta stop.
You find it.
We have to switch the memory card. Say thank you for watching the video. Here, come on, come down.
No.
So I finished the video.
Another close up, last close up. Got card.
Guys, this is the last close-up.
Got a plane. A castle. A house. An apple. A flamingo. And a boat.
Okay. We have 9
See you
minutes.
later.
We have 9 minutes. You can build more.
You can do. Daddy,
Okay.
there's two parts for the robot. So
Okay.
there's. Okay.
Yeah, let's build fast. One more, okay?
Mhm.
Put over here. Don't put. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Like
What?
this color.
All right.
There, I mixed it up.
Need one. I found one.
Oh, you found it easy now. This part.
Oh.
It's like. Where is it?
I found it. Is that right?
Yeah,
Yep,
that's the
I
right.
did. I did.
I was about to show you this one, but
Okay.
it's
That's
like,
the same thing.
yeah. But you already found it easy.
Good. What else are we looking? The engine, right?
Put it in. Snap it in.
Okay. Let's snap. There you go. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah.
find that part.
It's got the engine. Okay.
Yep. Now, do you see those holes again? It's like a boat.
Yep. Just like the boat.
Yeah, so if you see. Daddy. So look. No, not yet. Daddy.
Yeah.
So if you see a hole right there where the block is,
Yeah.
and no hole, snap it in, secure it in.
Okay. So we snap right in there. Okay. Got it.
Yep, you did it. Now next is those Daddy.
Yep.
So find like what piece?
Yeah.
This piece. Wait, no, like piece of this and a dark piece like this.
Good.
Wait, I need to mix it.
Let's see.
Okay. The light long piece.
Got
Yep.
one.
Two. A dark piece. Oh, it's right there.
Two.
Now find a light blue long piece. Yep,
Got it.
you got it. Wait, is that a dark piece? Oh, that's right. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Daddy,
Hmm?
put this on right there, okay?
Okay. Let's see. Right here. Both sides.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
6 minutes.
Okay.
6 minutes.
Hurry up.
And now we have to, Daddy, put this on there.
Okay. Let's see.
Mr. Hurry,
No.
hurry.
All right.
Then make the head, make the head, make the head.
Head. Okay,
Ooh.
now to find that part.
Okay.
Here it is.
All right. Good job. What else?
And now find that part. It's in here.
Some yellow.
No, this piece.
Clear.
This one.
Oh, it's clear.
No, sorry, Daddy, I already found it.
Oh, two of them? Yellow?
No, only one.
Okay.
No.
Now find gray. Gray.
Gray. No.
Okay.
Daddy, find those. Daddy. Daddy!
I found
Daddy!
yellow eyes. Fine.
No, let me do it. Daddy, no, yeah.
found it.
That's the head.
Okay.
That's the head. No, Daddy.
No.
What?
Other way. I found yellow eyes.
Yellow eyes like that.
And I can't
Yellow
find
circle
the head,
eyes. Yellow circle eyes. Yellow circle eyes. Yellow.
it. No, don't find. No.
No.
You need the eyes.
You need the eyes. No.
Ah, I can't see. I need eyes. Ah, where am I going? Ah, oh. I need help. Give me eyes.
Here. It was supposed to be in here. See this one.
Oh, okay.
Find another one.
Go find it. I put it in. Okay.
Daddy,
So we put
I'm gonna find another one.
okay.
It has one eye.
No one here.
Let me check it out and see. There you go. I found one in there.
Yep.
Okay. Got one more eye. All right, we got a robot. Wonderful.
Okay, we're all done.
And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next
And
time.
comment down below and subscribe. No, wait. If you like Legos, then you should buy one for your friends at Christmas.